Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your ASUS Zenfone 9. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Microsoft Edge. Download it. And open it. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization or skip it, set up for the data sharing preferences, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can also skip it. And now let's open any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.